I am Master Ferdinand from Sri Lanka. I have paid a Christmas visit to my father's residence in Kundai. My late father lived here in the latter part of his years, and I am sitting just beside a Nelli tree which has a lot of health benefits in it. Not only it's a beauty tree, it also helps in health terms too. According to the World Health Organization, a small quantity of Nelli eaten a day increases the immune system. And if one's immune system is strong, one does not get ill very quickly. And in the Ayurvedic philosophy of medicine, Nelli is used to make medicines that keeps aging away. These medicines are very expensive, but the Ayurvedic philosophy of medicine makes these kinds of medicine. The Nelli tree is a beautiful tree because the fruits, when made into a drinking decoction, it is very tasty and used in Ayurvedic forms of treatment for various ailments. The Nelli tree has a long-standing history behind it and runs back to thousands of years. And the Asians like Sri Lankans and Indians make full use of it. With this, I will close.